In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a bargain property on Rightmove. Whether you're a first-time buyer or an experienced investor, finding the right property at the right price can be a game changer. So let's dive straight into it. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Rightmove website. It's one of the most popular property websites in the UK, making it a prime spot for the best property deals. Once you're there, the next step is to type in your desired location in the search bar. For this tutorial, we're going to use London as an example, but feel free to input any area you're interested in. Once you've selected your location, ensure you click on the For Sale option. This will filter the properties available to those currently on the market, streamlining your search significantly. Following this, click on Property Types to focus your search further. For today's example, we're going to opt for houses, but again, you can choose flats or any other property type you're interested in. Next, we're going to set a price range. Click on Price Range to specify what you're prepared to spend. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll start from £50,000. Then make sure to select No Max initially. However, let's adjust this upper limit to £300,000. This will help narrow down the search to properties that might come in at a bargain price in the current market. Moving on, you'll want to select the number of bedrooms you're after. For our example, we'll select 2 bedrooms. Click on the option to lock that in, further refining your selection to more relevant properties. Once that's all set up, it's time to launch our search. By clicking on Search Properties, you'll get a tailored list of available options. However, we want to ensure we're getting properties that might be priced lower due to their condition. This leads us to the next step, clicking on Add Keyword. This powerful tool allows you to filter properties by keywords like refurbishment, fixer-upper, and modernization. Adding these terms focuses the search on properties that might need some work, which can often lead to a bargain price. Now click on Keyword Match to finalize these criteria. Rightmove will now sift through its listings to bring up properties that could meet your requirements at a competitive price. Finally, one crucial filter is to sort the results by oldest listed. This option can sometimes lead you to properties that have been overlooked, providing opportunities to negotiate a lower price. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding those hidden gem properties on Rightmove. With these steps, you're well equipped to begin your search for a bargain property. Happy house hunting, and may you find the perfect fit at the perfect price.